Everybody, Crypto Strang here. This video is well overdue. I've been speaking about this on my Telegram group for a while about real world assets, and I've been meaning to do this video for quite a while. Now, I've done a video literally about 2 years ago, spoke about land share. It was sort of one of the first to get going when we related crypto and blockchain to actual real estate. Okay, and I said at the time, this has got massive potential in a huge market, obviously. A bit like music, we talk about music in crypto and blockchain, hasn't really took off. However, real world assets and real estate has got massive, certainly this year. And to me, it's the latest buzz within crypto. So naturally, I've been looking at a lot of projects over the last sort of few weeks, and I've come up with some real gems. Ones have already given me some decent profits. So I'm going to go through 5 projects that I actually own, some others that I'm looking at as well. Okay, so we're going to go through them, and I'll tell you the one with my biggest holding, the one I strongly believe in the most. Now, obviously, it's never financial advice. Always state that, do your own research. But me personally, I'm very bullish on real world assets and the potential. And there's obviously, because of the explosion in real world asset tokens, there's a lot coming on the market. Not all will do well, obviously, but I believe the ones I've picked for my personal have got a lot of potential. Real solid teams behind them, a genuine use case, but only time will tell. The first one I actually just show you, though, is the one which I see people talking about the most. RIO Network, RIO. It's currently £1.10. Now, I don't own this one, okay, but I'm looking into it. Now, I see on Twitter a lot, people talking about RIO as the #1 real world asset. A lot of people state that. It's not just someone jumping in and really talking about it, but it's literally a lot of people saying this is probably one of the best ones to get involved. It does look interesting. The market cap is only just over 7 million. I don't own it yet. I'm just looking more into their site. I didn't find as much information on the site as I wanted to. However, I can see the potential here. So certainly keep RIO on your site, and I'll probably most likely get myself a decent bag. You see, it kind of ranked 1,064, but the bit I wasn't that keen on was the supply. It's under 9%, okay, so you've got to think of future growth, however time will tell. Now, the first one I've actually bought into is Blocksquare token BST. Currently just under 32 pence. The supply is just under 49%, so it's good to see. Currently we're at 805 with a market just over 15 million. Okay, now when you go on this site, it really does shape the future of real estate. The Blocksquare token BST is the governance token that serves as the basis of the Ocean Point ecosystem. BST holders to vote on proposal post on snapshot. So you can see here what they do, the different products. You can see here everything on here, the price in the token. You learn everything about them, the leaders in real estate, tokenization solutions. Okay, you scroll through. It gives more depth about the BST token. Allocation chart for native BST token. You can see there. This is the bit I like to wear. You can see the marketing, the team, and obviously getting a lot at all. Okay, and the mentors and the investors, okay? So when you actually think about the supply left, there's not room there when it gets bigger and gets on more exchanges, okay? So only time will tell. Now, I always say to everyone, people often ask me, where can I buy this? It's so easy on CoinMarketCap. You just hit the markets, okay, and it tells you there. Amount of people who say to me, where can I buy this? When I talk about a project, it's so easy to go on CoinMarketCap, go on markets, and it tells you where you can get it. In this case, you can go on Gate, MEXC, Bitmar, some solid exchanges. So I really do like what they're doing. I like their future plans as well, and also doing the buybacks. Once real estate owners start staking in the asset pool, their real estate asset tokens become part of the Ocean Point. And after 6 months lockup period, Blocksquare shall exercise legal right to revenues generated by these real estate assets. Okay, that's what I like. I like a buyback, but it's genuine real estate, and I do like what they're doing. Okay, talks there. It goes then more where buy and sell the BST token itself. But when you scroll through, now obviously I'm cover a lot of projects here, so I'm not going to go full in depth like I do with most projects, just a general overview. As I go forward, I might do a dedicated video on certain ones, which I really do constantly accumulating, but only time was just an overview at the moment of these projects. Now, this is the one where I've bought the most of. This is my biggest bag. You actually see in the last day alone, up nearly 13%. Market cap was ridiculously low, in my opinion, for what they're doing. I love the team. They're doing these AMAs, and every time they do an AMA, I get even more bullish, to be honest. The market cap is just under 24 million, currently ranked 689. Now, the supply's not great. We talk about the supply, obviously, on RIO, but this one's not great. It's under 20%. However, future growth and potential, I do like what they're doing. Okay, so at the moment, just £1.19, but it really is a low cap gem, in my opinion. You go on, they've got 2 sites, prop.com. Let's hear real estate investing reimagined. Build your wealth through strategic real estate investment. So if you want to be a general investor, but obviously I'm solely here for the token itself, and that's what I really do like, and that's what I'm thinking about. Nice profits here. This was really interesting. You're a 20 million plus property portfolio value. Average yearly return on investments 8 to 12%. 500 plus active investors. Okay, rental income paid is over 2 million. Decent team behind them as well. You can see the solid team. People are growth from the previous and a lot of experience. But trusting accredited, we care about your safety. We work hard to stay compliant in all areas. That's really important, obviously, when it comes to real estate and obviously crypto itself. Okay, and that's great to see. And they've got a lot. I do follow them on social media. I think they've got a lot of So I think their AMAs is actually fantastic what they're doing. It makes you really bullish when you watch the AMAs. I really do. Building the future of real estate. Again, you go through it. Now, as features, it's been featured in many different parts, even Binance, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, spearheading revolution in real estate. Now, I say, with the hype at the moment, real world assets, obviously, there's a lot out there. Some are going to get absolutely massive, and you expect quite a few to get in the top 100, okay, as this grows, because it's a genuine use case, and obviously people are very interested in investing in crypto as well as property and real estate. Okay, and it goes there. I just like the team this, and I really do think they're going to be absolutely massive in time. Only time will tell, there's no guarantee. And again, they're building together a unified real estate vision. Now, you can see here all the people there involved with it, explore their ecosystem. Again, solid people behind it, a group of innovators pioneering the digital real estate revolution. Again, nice, solid team, and that's what I like to see. And they're doing regular updates as well. Now, the next one is Credefi. Now, I bought myself a decent little bag of this. Now, this is another real gem. This is just under 13,600,000. It's coming around 840. The supply is fantastic, just under 75%. Really did like that. You can see here, they're building up a real solid project here. Now, I've got myself a decent bag, innovative lending for real world impact. You can see here the total liquidity provided, just under $4 million. Okay. Now, welcome to Credefi, the innovative lending platform that offers crypto lending collateralized with real world assets. So they combine it all together. Okay, I do like the fact it's powered by Experian, ordered by Armos, and approved by Magic Square. Okay, and it goes through everything they're doing. Basically, they want to bridge the EU's debt financing gap. We offer accessible lending solutions for SMEs. Again, you can explore their platform and get access to secure lending. So basically, they do many parts. They also do the lending, the borrowing, actually, but also you can do stake the token as well, Credefi. So it's like an all-in-one package with their ecosystem. That's what I like. I've got myself a decent bag of Credefi, and I will start the staking. Okay, and I think that's really important. Again, it gives a real solid APY. So the fact they're doing so many parts of ecosystem as well as the real-world asset to me is absolutely fantastic. Okay. The next one I bought myself was UBX token, UBXS. Now, it's been up and down quite a bit. This is a real gem again. This is just literally under 7 million market cap. Okay, now the supply we're not entirely sure about. It looks like it's about 57 million out of the 84 million. I'm trying to get some validation on that, but I couldn't actually confirm it. Now, as I say, the price is just over 11 pence. So again, it's absolutely fantastic. I think this has got, again, a lot of potential. Now, when you look on their website, the bit that fascinated me the most, you talked about the different projects and about a home, but to me, it was the roadmap. That's really, I did like this. Obviously, you go through in the different quarters. I love what they've done in the second quarter. As we go into the third and fourth quarter, you can see here the global partnership, real estate tokenization, Gulf area expansion. So again, getting massive. But this was first gaming launch beta version, exchange listing negotiation, payment gateway integration, and at the end of the year, they're going to have seed property acquisition and the 2025 marketing strategy. Okay, and I think that's really good. The fact what they're doing overall, I think is absolutely fantastic. Bixos, you go there, you can see here about everything about them, about the Bixos. You can see what a big team they've got. Bixos, a cutting-edge blockchain development company, basically established literally over 4 years ago. Since our founding, we've been dedicated to revolution the way we interact with the digital world. So the fact Bixos have got here with their UBX token and what they do in the real-world assets, I really do like this. Again, I think it's absolutely fantastic. And again, it's just another project I believe has got a lot of potential long-term, especially upcoming bull market. Okay, when you get these solid, genuine use case projects, you can see the potential. Now, the next one is Propbase props. I've nearly 10% the last 24 hours alone. The markup just over 32.5 million, ranked 607. The supply is not brilliant, but it's okay, just under 30%. There will actually be 1.2 billion props. At the moment, we've got over 355 million out there. Okay, I really do like this. Built on Aptos, which is great to see. We spoke about Aptos before. It's nice to see projects built on Aptos. And like we said, the amount of layer ones out there, the competition is absolutely rife. Okay, but I really do believe in this project as well. I must have read up at least 20 different projects. So these 5 that I've actually bought into are the ones that I personally believe will give me the most reward. Now, welcome to the future of real estate investing. Now, if you just want to be the passive income or estate, also in the token, you get both, don't you? As one, you're getting your percentage return, your APY, but also you've got the token giving that rewards as we go into a bull run and as the project develops. Getting in low cap gems is obviously even a higher risk than anything with crypto. Obviously, it could give you the big rewards. Only time will tell. Be fascinating to go back on these projects in 6 months to a year time to see how they're developing, what their market cap is now. But I strongly do believe we could be on something really fantastic here with these real world assets. Now, what I like about this prop base is you can start with as little as $100 to start investing in property. Okay, and obviously that will give you a percentage return, but the token itself. So you could literally have both. You can invest on their site, but also hold the token on exchange or, you know, a decentralized wallet somewhere. And again, you're looking at profits. Now, again, I haven't started staking my props yet. You can see there the 8 to 12% yearly yield. It just seems to be the general overview for these investors. But this is a bit of a light bet. It's 25 million plus under tokenization value, but 15,000 on-chain holders already. Okay, and that to me is absolutely huge. Say built on Aptos, IPFS distributed web was great to see. Layer 0. We've got here buy props you see on MEXC. 1 million plus props daily trading volume, low fees, top 10 exchange by volume. Okay, now MEXC obviously I speak very highly of. You can see all the different partnerships here with the auditors. Certi got Delight as well. Okay, next gen property investing experience. So they've got this lovely way to it. And see, you can see on their dashboard here basically what you're going to get there with your awards and the passive income, and also buy the tokens, your annual awards. So individual token price, you can see there. So it's a nice, solid investment, passive income, which is something I'm really looking forward to. At the moment, I just hold the token. I haven't gone into that much depth with it, but naturally, I think it's got huge potential. So between those 5, I'm very bullish. Now, I've looked at some others. I said I was literally over 20 of them. Now we're down to those 5 that I bought. Obviously, RIO is another one which looks strong candidate to me to buy. I found some couple of others which looked interesting. Libertum, LBM, the market cap is up to 1.5 million, would you believe? It's actually a base project. Now, they're not sure on the supply. They think it's 40 million out of 200 million, so not a lot of suppliers out there. However, it does look interesting. Now, this is one I'll keep on my radar and check every couple of weeks for its progression. Look on their website, explore the properties, you learn the community, the docs, the more stuff there, and you can see about the tokenize, everything they do, the trade, the borrow, the earn, the stay. So again, there's a lot of parts of their ecosystem, which is what I liked. Okay, unlock the revenues of any real world asset. So again, a wonderful investment opportunity. Such a low market cap, under 1.5 million. Who knows where that price will go? Only time will tell how they develop. But these low cap gems could give you that massive rewards that we all seek. Now, another project is Parkle. Just under 20 pence. The market cap is just over 24 million, ranked 681. The supply is really poor, just over 12%. It's not fantastic. It will actually be 1 billion PRCL. But when I went on their website, Parkle.co, I really did speculate on rising and falling real estate markets. Okay, now, this is what I liked about it. Also, they're backed by Solana Ventures as well as Coinbase Ventures. So when you get a project where the market cap is so low, and they've got these big backers, naturally you can see a lot of potential for huge growth. And again, their talks there, dive into real estate, perpetual futures, begin trading now. So again, solid passive income with your investments, okay? Powered by cutting edge data science. And you go through there. Free can ask questions, what is Parkle? It's got all the information you want on there. But as I say, I don't own any yet, but I'm certainly looking at it. Again, it's got the staking. But again, also, they've got partnerships they're talking about, which is what I like to see. Any project gets partnerships, I think it's got potential for longevity. So, as I say, it's on my radar. I'll keep my eye on Parkle as well as Libertum as well. Okay, so I just want to go through these. I've been speaking a lot, and I mean to do a video for quite a while. I've been extremely busy lately, but obviously I need to do a lot more videos. But I think I'll do some more dedicated. I think I'll go more in depth with PROPC and the team and the AMAs, etc. in time as well. But I just want to give an overview of the ones that I've bought and the ones that I'm looking at. As I say, I'm constantly seeing others on. I've looked at a few. I've seen people talking about ones on Reddit. I've seen it on X as well. And it gives highlight. Plus, you can actually check on Google now with CoinMarketCap and RWAs for projects being listed, new ones. It's always good to get in early with a project. So it's a massive market which is exploding with these RWAs. So again, super bullish about this. So only time will tell. So it'd be fascinating to see where these projects are in a few months' time. So thanks very much. And we hope as usual, email me, info@cryptostrand.com, or my social media links. But come and join us on Telegram group. I do have links below to join the exchanges these projects are on. So to support the channel, you sign up using that. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful weekend. We've finally got the summer here in the UK. So it's a wonderful time. And as I say, the approaching bull market is obviously extremely exciting. So thanks very much. We will chat soon. Cheers now. Bye.